Hi, my name is Jeevan. I'm responsible for product marketing in Razer for broadcaster products. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about the new Seiren Emote. Now, what's so special about this microphone that's made for streamers? Let me show you. See this heart pulsing over here? So the Seiren Emote is the world's first microphone made for streamers to interact with their audiences on Twitch or any other streaming platform. What it does is basically takes the feedback of your audience's interaction on Twitch chat, for example, and allows it to trigger emoticons through which you can interact with your audience. There are really three things to know about this microphone. First and foremost, it is powered by 8-bit LED display inside this mic to kind of produce these type of graphics or visuals. There will be 100 emoticons included in the microphone on launch for you to use, with 30 animated emoticons as well. Right. The second cool thing about this microphone is customization. Like I mentioned, whether it's a user following you or donating something to you, a cheer, or even typing text out in your Twitch channel, you can customize the type of emoticon responses you want to get from this microphone. So depending on how creative you can get, this microphone can really help alleviate your showmanship, bring interaction with your audience out from the chat box into your living room space, onto yourself, onto your camera, for a more entertaining stream. So basically, when you're on stream and you want to customize the Seiren Emote in front of you, it comes to this app called the Streamer Companion app. And as you can see over here, you can set up the Seiren Emote to trigger emoticons based on the following conditions: follows, subscriptions, cheers, donations, and even a chat message. Today, for the purpose of the demo, we've set up a heart icon to show when someone follows you. So if you look at the mock kind of like streaming setup over there, when someone follows you, you get an effect like this with the heart. And that's just kind of scraping the surface. If we go back to the Streamer Companion app over here, we've also set up the Seiren Emote to respond to certain chat callouts, like hello mate, Kappa, and even love you 3000. Which means that if someone types hello mate in your chat stream, your microphone will react. Right? They go Kappa, it reacts with a different effect. And then of course, if it's love you 3000, you get the heart shape again. We designed this microphone specifically to appeal to a very central part of streaming culture, which is Twitch speak. And we designed this microphone to sit specifically in the center of that, so people are able to express themselves better, interact with their audiences better, and just get a whole new level of creative streaming and showmanship out there.
Dieses Video wird euch von den Seagate Iron Wolf NAS SSDs präsentiert. News und Testberichte zu Seagate-Produkten findet ihr unter dem Link in der Infokarte.
So that's not the only thing that the Seiren Emote and the Streamer Companion app can do. With the Streamer Companion app, you're able to set up all chroma-enabled devices, including Philips Hue light bulbs, to respond to your stream. So for example, right here, previously, we had follows only showing a heart icon on the mic. I'm now going to add the new Razer Kraken, which is basically a kitty headset with chroma. And I'm going to add all other chroma-related devices around here, which is keyboard, mouse mat, mouse, and the headset stand, to react with starlight as well. So what happens now is that if someone follows you, not only will your microphone interact, but so will your entire setup. And this means countless number of showman possibilities and creative possibilities for the streamer himself. If he has his video feed with Philips Hue light bulbs around him as well, or nanoleaf panels around him, his entire room becomes a show. What we're doing here is basically taking the show out of the chat box into this video feed to make something a lot more entertaining, captivating. So the Seiren Emote and the Kraken Kitty will be available on 27th September 2019 at TwitchCon.